The phenomena of the motorcycle in the city of Nizwa is one of the most important lifestyle. The use of motorcycle in Nizwa in order to fast shopping, which does not need to buy many things. Also, the old men in Nizwa use the motorcycles for the farming.
We use the bike in Nizwa for transfer from place to another because it's fast away for transfer. And it is like a hobby now because the old man in Nizwa, you can see it is riding the bike, and young man and everyone, you can see it in Nizwa.
At the same time, motorcycles are easier to use within the small village because of the limited space and can travel faster than cars. Young people in Nizwa use the motorcycles negatively, such as drifting. Also, drifting on the water. Motorcycles are frequently used in social events. This video is trending in social media, has aroused considerable controversy because of the large number of motorcycles involved in the wedding.
There's so many negative on the bike, on Nizwa especially, because there's so many young people is driving the bike very fastly, and that means so many accidents and so many people dying years on this bike and on small bike also, because so many people driving fast and he don't see in the car and driving in main road. That's be so many problems with us. And some people he put big exhaust in the bike and is coming very noisy, and the people he don't like that thing. It's being noisy on this bike or another bike, small one, and this is not good.